Hello, everyone. My name is Carrie, and I'm here to share our brand new release, Spring of Benignity. It means gracefulness, kindness, and benevolence, which is a beautiful foundation for spring and growth. And we hope that you're going to enjoy this brand new release with us. We have so many iconic images, collections, including Easter, classic birds, lots of beautiful new molds that are detailed, and you are going to love working with them. We also have a brand new product called Luxe Transfers. These transfers are so easy to use, and I will demonstrate how to use them at the end of the video for you on a project. And we're going to do a side-by-side comparison with those with some of our brand new H2O transfers too, which are also so fun to use. So be sure to comment during this video and let us know what your favorite is. We love hearing the feedback. And you are going to be in the running for a giveaway, both on YouTube and Facebook. So tell us what you love, tell us what you think, and we will choose a winner from the comments soon after the release video. We also want to say thank you to everyone on YouTube for our wonderful new award. We can't tell you how much we appreciate it. Thank you to the new followers, our existing followers, for your feedback, your comments. We absolutely love hearing from you, and we really, truly appreciate your support. So let's get into this brand new collection and see what goodies we have coming your way for your DIY home decor.
First up is our Olde Bear Lane collection with iconic Winnie the Pooh images, including all of his friends. We have a mold, MIDI transfers, and decoupage in this complete collection, and it is so adorable. This is the Olde Bear Lane decor mold with Winnie the Pooh and all his friends and sweet little flowers and even the little bees too. This reminds me of my children. I had this as their nursery theme, and it brings back a lot of memories, but it's just so iconic and classic. And they did it in a vintage style, which I love. You can paint them or keep them plain and add to your home decor to add these whimsical and charming little characters to anything you wish. Up next are our MIDI transfers for this collection. The first one I'm showing you here is Honey Fern Hollow, and it has beautiful little images of Pooh Bear and his friends, and also bits of nature in there too, so you could create your own scenes by mixing and matching the transfers. And I love that Redesign kept the vintage style of this collection. It is just so iconic and classic. These will be perfect for smaller home decor projects such as furniture and wall decor and anything you could dream up. They all go together so beautifully. And then we didn't stop there. We came up with Mapleberry Glen. So it's the second set of transfers, so you can mix and match even more. And I just love some of the scenes on here. They are just so true to the spirit of this iconic classic story. And I think you're really going to enjoy working with these. We also included an A3 decoupage paper called Willow Miss Meadow. It's A3 sized and it is reversible. And I just love this scene with them going over the bridge in this little storybook setting. This will make an amazing addition to your wall decor or furniture or something smaller, just to add a little bit of whimsy to your decor. So what do you think of this collection? Are you as excited as I am? And tell me what you would use these on. I'm dying to know. Next is our Blue Reverie collection. Oh, this is just so elegant and timeless and classic. We've included transfers, decoupage fiber sets, and of course a mold with birds and branches, which we know you all love so much. The blues and the indigos in this collection are just so rich and vibrant and beautiful. The Whispers of Wings decor mold has small birds with delicate branches and leaves and little flowers, which are going to be so fun to decorate and add to your decor. And the first transfer I'm showing you here is a MIDI transfer called Blue Nest Blooms. Oh, I just love the rich blue hues mixed with the vintage flowers, and there are little birds throughout this collection as well, so it goes perfectly with the decor molds, and it'll look amazing on furniture, small home decor projects, whatever you wish. Don't forget to comment and let us know what your favorite is throughout this video, and let us know what you love about any of these collections. This is our large transfer. It's 24 by 35. It's called Chirping Charm, and it's a larger transfer, so it matches the mini transfer perfectly, so you can do larger projects and smaller projects to coordinate maybe decor in your rooms. Again, flowing branches with nostalgic blooms and beautiful birds. These will look so charming on any projects that you wish to use them on. And they come with 4 sheets, so that's quite a lot in one set. So you can keep adding them as much as you want. You can add a little, you can add a lot. And I think that these blue colors and the naturey vibe of this is gonna look beautiful over wood tones, as well as, you know, freshly painted furniture pieces or DIY home decor. We have the harmony for that, so we can help you match it up to anything you wish. But this collection is just absolutely stunning. And there's more. We have 2 decoupage fiber sets. So this first one is called Serenade in Blue. Oh, it's so elegant. And then we have Meadow Melodies. So it's a set. So it has 2 decoupage fibers in it. One is A3 and the other one is 19.5 by 30. So you can do a larger project and a smaller project to match. And this is just so elegant, the Serenade in Blue. It has so much detail. I think elegance, classic Victorian styles with loads of character and beautiful charm that is just going to elevate your projects with this pattern. It's so amazing and beautiful. And Meadow Melodies decoupage fiber set. Oh, beautiful vintage style roses and soft blue hues with interesting patterns and other florals mixed into the background. It just gives that garden vibe that will surely elevate any DIY project you want to throw at it, but it is just stunning. A little bits of script in there as well. So much to see, but it's very subtle. So be sure to comment during the videos to let us know what your favorites are, so we can have you in the running for a giveaway. And we love hearing your feedback and what you think about some of these new release products. And of course, Redesign has you covered for Valentine's Day. We have 2 new products. One is called the Love Edit Decor Mold. It was created by Ada of Wood Love Furniture, filled with sacred hearts, loaded with details. And these milagros will add so much character to your upcoming DIY projects. And of course, we have Amore Fair. This is our mini transfer set. It has 3 sheets in it, and it was made with vintage style imagery, sweet Valentine's angels and florals, all in soft, beautiful teal and pink and red hues. All these would look amazing on, you know, your Valentine's cards or decor, and it's very timeless and classic. We definitely have some really adorable projects coming your way from our brand ambassadors, so stay tuned for some upcoming videos and tutorials using this set and with this beautiful Sacred Heart decor mold. It's going to add so much character and charm to your projects. And now here comes Easter. We're hopping into Easter with a really beautiful collection, including 3 decor molds. This one is called Eternal Spring. It has beautiful crosses and it says Joyful Easter. Oh, it's perfect. And next we have Meadow Whispers with Victorian style bunnies, lots of little eggs and florals. And last but not least, Bunny Trail Tails. So this goes with sort of the Peter Cottontail theme, loads of detail in this as well. You loved the bunnies from last year so much, so we decided to come out with a couple of new designs this year for you. Up first, we have our midi transfer called Hop into Spring. It has really adorable little bunnies in pastel hues with vintage florals and little bows. This is so cute, and there's even a sheet with very small transfer pieces on it to add to, you know, the Easter eggs that you see. We think they'll look just adorable. Little candles, anything that you wish. Mix and match to your heart's content. Add to furniture or wall decor, whatever you like. Up next is Garden Whimsy. This has a very classic vintage look with black gingham bows and really regal style, old-fashioned imagery, and I just love the set. And these little chicks at the end, they look so grumpy and adorable at the same time. I just love them. They happen to be some of my favorites from this release. Our third transfer is called the Cottontail Diaries. Now, I think you recognize this bunny from days gone by. I think Redesign captured the images and the colors so beautifully in these transfers. I love the delicate florals. I can see you adding them to so many different decor projects and making them even sweeter. And last but not least is Bunny Hollow, our A3 decoupage fiber. And look at that guy. He is so adorable and handsome. He would make beautiful wall decor or added to a small project and add so much whimsy and charm. Again, it's reversible and easy to use. So what do you guys think of this Easter collection? Which is your favorite? We would love to hear what you think. And I felt that Redesign really added a nice variety of Easter products to choose from for your decor this year. So be sure to let us know which one you love the most and what you think. We know you all loved the Easter molds from last year, so we just had to give you a little bit more variety and styles to choose from this year. I can promise you we have so much sweet inspiration coming your way from our brand ambassadors because they really went all out with this collection. So we're really excited to share them with you on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram and just give you some wonderful ideas for your upcoming Easter decor. So the casting mix has been a huge hit with you DIYers. So we came up with a refill pack. So the original kit had tools in it. And now we have a refill pack for you. And we have two gorgeous decor molds. One is called Ornate Minis and the other one is called Miniature Grace. Oh my gosh, so much detail. And I know you guys love the frames and there's so much you can do with them. They're so versatile and so beautiful to use as decor throughout your house, mini galleries, magnets, you name it, even pictures of your loved ones. We know that you guys get so creative, but we will also have creative ideas ready for you very, very soon in upcoming videos too. Let us know what you think of these. I think they're really amazing. They're a really great follow-up to our mold chapter for sure. Up next, new H2O transfers. I love these transfers so much. They are so beautiful and so fun to use. This one is called Whispers and Petals. So it has a lot of little floral labels, which is perfect for pottery and your kitchen and any kind of candles or home decor that you want. Then we have Rustic Romance. Oh, I love these vintage blooms, and these will just add so much character and charm to a lot of your decor as well. Vibrant colors. There's a bird in there, which I love. I don't know. I can't say enough about these H2O transfers. They're just so pretty. And then we have Poetry and Petals. Again, botanical richness and earthy and bright colors. And I think that you can mix and match these with any of the other H2O transfers, which is really nice. That was really well thought out by Redesign. And then, of course, we have something for Easter. One more thing, Gilded Spring. So we came out with our Gilded H2O transfers once again. The last time was Gilded Memories. So this is Gilded Spring. It'll just elevate your Easter decor even more with those beautiful, shiny bunnies and petite florals. Oh, it's just so pretty. Here's a little quick sample I did using the Rustic Romance. I used it on our Contours of Grace decor mold. I had made this with resin and covered it in gold leaf, and look how easy and beautiful that was. It came together so perfectly. Let me know if you guys have tried the H2O transfers yet and what you think. I just think they are amazing. Introducing our brand new Luxe Transfers. Now this is a very first for us with these transfers, and I think that you are going to be addicted because when I started using these, I wanted to put them on everything. I'm going to go over the design choices for you. This one is called Romance in Fleur. So it has little delicate scripts in there and vintage animals. And oh, I love the horse. I think that is so cool. That is so iconic. And this will go over any color and jazz up any little home decor item that you wish, like candles or cups. Yes, you can put them on cups. And next is the Fleur de Frame. So this is little labels, again, with vintage blooms. And these I just want to put on everything. I put them on some candles and I thought, oh my word, they just elevated them so much. I mean, imagine just, you know, adding it as a little gift for anyone, taking anything ordinary and making it extraordinary. And then we have Whispers of Indigo. These are similar to our cerulean blooms. Do you remember that set, those transfers? It's very similar. Earthy tones with beautiful blue hues, and they just will look amazing on any kitchen items or even a laptop. Someone did a laptop, can you believe it? And last but not least, Daisy Cherry Delight. Now, cherries are very in right now, and the mixture with the daisies, I think, is just adorable. So you get a few different varieties and patterns in here, and I just think they are so sweet. I added them to glasses. Yes, you can add them to glassware, but I am going to explain all of that to you now, going over the Luxe Transfers. I think you are going to be so excited about the possibilities and the ease of use and the beauty of these and the durability also, just making projects, DIY projects, even simpler. So here we go. So I have the set of 3 frosted candles with little wood tops. And so what I did is I decided to add these fun little beautiful labels from the Fleur de Frame set. I love the colors, the vibrancy. And all you're gonna do is cut out the Luxe Transfer. You're gonna peel off the white backing. That will expose the transfer, and then you're going to go ahead and set it right onto your surface. I try to do this as evenly as possible. It's kind of hard to do when you're filming, but it was actually very simple. And now you rub that transfer over your surface really, really well with your finger. Just make sure that the whole thing is touching the surface, and then you're going to peel back that top protective layer. And there you are. That is it. That is all you have to do. It doesn't have to be sealed. It doesn't have to be altered in any way, shape, or form, and it goes on virtually so many surfaces. Now I'm going to apply the H2O to show the difference between the Luxe and the H2O Transfers. So if you're new to the H2O Transfers, this is great. If you are familiar with them, just enjoy the beautiful new designs. This one is from Whispers and Petals, along the same lines with the flower labels. You want to just gently mist your surface. Add your H2O transfer to the surface very lightly with the gray side up. The color goes down, the gray side is up. Mist it again and let that transfer activate with the water. And that is it. And then you simply peel it back, and there you have it, a beautiful image. So let me know what you like, what you would be interested in trying, is the H2O or the Luxe. I think you should try both because they are equally as easy and the results are beautiful. Stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials coming your way using both of those amazing products. And we want to thank you so much for joining us for this brand new release. We appreciate it. And don't forget to comment on your favorite products.